How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram's incorrect password problem on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to check for your Wi-Fi's connection. Swipe down from the top right corner and you can long press on your Wi-Fi, and there you can see your Wi-Fi. You can check for your connection, make sure that you're connected to a stable and strong Wi-Fi network, and after you do that, you can then head back. You can also check if you're connected to the airplane mode or not. Then open up your settings. On your settings, you will need to scroll down until you find General. Tap on General. After you're there, scroll down until you find VPN and Device Management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, just disconnect from them and go back, and there you'll see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. Now you can reset your network settings, or you can reset all of your settings as well. After you do that, you can then head back. Now the last thing that we'll do is open up our App Store, tap on the search bar and search for Insta. So search for Instagram and check for updates. If you find an update available, tap on the update button to update your Insta. After you do that, you can head back to Insta to try to log in again, and you should be good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.